Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. If your espresso tastes inconsistent, your machine smells off, or problems keep coming back no matter how often you decale, this video is for you. After repairing hundreds of espresso machines, I've learned one uncomfortable truth. Most machines don't fail because they're old. They fail because of what people don't clean. Today, I'm walking you through 9 critical parts of your coffee machine that almost nobody cleans regularly, even though they should be cleaned every day. These areas silently destroy flavor, cause breakdowns, and shorten machine life. And once you see them, you'll never ignore them again. 1. The shower screen. The shower screen looks clean from the outside, but underneath it's often packed with old coffee oils and fine grounds. Every shot pushes hot water through this buildup, extracting rancid flavors before the water ever touches fresh coffee. Over time, this causes uneven flow, channeling, bitter shots, and pressure instability. A daily rinse and quick wipe prevents oil polymerization, something that becomes extremely hard to remove once baked on by heat. 2. The group head cavity. Removing the portafilter exposes a cavity that most people never inspect. Inside, coffee oils accumulate on metal surfaces and seals, creating a sticky residue that affects temperature transfer and water dispersion. Left unchecked, this buildup damages gaskets and causes leaks, poor sealing, and inconsistent extraction. Daily flushing and wiping keeps this area stable and dramatically improves shot consistency. 3. The portafilter spouts trap old coffee residue, moisture, and oils, especially in double spouts. That residue turns sour fast. Every fresh espresso shot runs through it, contaminating flavor even if your puck prep is perfect. Daily hot water rinsing and drying prevents stale flavors and keeps extraction tasting clean and sweet. 4. The steam wand tip. Many people wipe the outside of the steam wand, but ignore the inside of the tip. Milk proteins bake inside the holes, restricting airflow and creating a breeding ground for bacteria. This affects milk texture, introduces off flavors, and can clog the wand completely. Daily purging and wiping immediately after steaming prevents buildup and protects both flavor and hygiene. 5. The drip tray underneath the grill. Everyone sees the drip tray. Almost no one cleans under the grate daily. Warm water, coffee residue, and milk drips collect here, creating odor, bacteria, and corrosion over time. This area directly affects machine cleanliness and airflow. A quick daily rinse prevents smells and long-term structural damage. 6. The grinder exit chute. Old grounds sit in the chute and oxidize quickly. Every new dose pushes stale coffee into your shot, dulling sweetness and adding bitterness. Daily purging and brushing keeps grind freshness high and makes dialing in more predictable. Grinder cleanliness directly affects flavor more than most people realize. 7. The grinder adjustment collar. Coffee fines migrate into threads and adjustment mechanisms. Over time, this causes stiff adjustments, inaccurate grind changes, and drifting settings. A quick daily wipe prevents mechanical wear and keeps your grinder responsive and consistent, something technicians notice immediately when diagnosing grind issues. 8. The water tank. Even if it looks clean, biofilm forms in water tanks long before you can see it. Warm conditions accelerate bacterial growth, affecting both taste and machine health. Daily rinsing and refilling with fresh water prevents contamination and protects internal components from buildup caused by stagnant water. 9. The cup tray and warm surface. Cup trays collect oils, moisture, and dust that fall back into cups and machine internals. While it seems harmless, This grime migrates into vents and electronics over time. A daily wipe maintains hygiene and prevents slow, hidden deterioration. Most espresso problems don't come from broken parts. They come from neglected habits. Daily cleaning doesn't just improve flavor. It prevents leaks, pressure loss, scale buildup, and expensive repairs. At BrewFix, I show coffee enthusiasts, baristas, and technicians how to stop guessing and start maintaining machines properly. I document real repairs, explain what fails first, and teach the systems professionals use to keep machines running like new. If you want better coffee, fewer breakdowns, and machines that last years longer, daily cleaning isn't optional, it's foundational.